So if you have any questions in regards to growing garlic, certainly send the questions to gardentalkradio@gmail.com, or you can go to our parent website, thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com, and in the right upper corner, there's a search engine. Just type in growing garlic, where you've got about a dozen plus in-depth how-to plant garlic. And you can pre-soak the cloves in compost to your water in order to help to jumpstart the germination of the root system, but it's not required. And whenever you plant your cloves in the ground, you're going to pull them apart of the bulb. Do not take the skin off of them like you would prepare a dish. Leave that skin on the clove, as that is a protective mechanism for the clove to allow it to grow and not have issues under the ground. And finally, if you are growing your homegrown garlic for the first time, or you're getting garlic that was grown and not store-bought, use about a quarter of what the recipe calls for, because it is very rich in flavor and it will overwhelm your palate. If you just go, oh, it needs 2 cloves, boom, 2 cloves, you're going to be swimming in garlic flavor. So you want to work up to it. It's great, and you have to use less, but it's well worth it.